Hey everyone, this is your girl Felicia Michelle, aka Fifi, and today I'm about to show you how to make my not the Collabs chicken noodle soup. I have one whole onion here. I also have some jalapeno peppers with some bell peppers, green and yellow. You can use any color that you want to use in this dish, and also some baby carrots. Any size carrots, cut them up. I also have some celery sticks and rotisserie chicken, and of course I added some cilantro plus some Anaheim peppers. So let's go ahead and get started and start cutting up our vegetables. Now we are about to put our fresh cut vegetables in the pot so they can simmer for like 3 to 4 minutes. Add your butter, add your garlic, fresh minced garlic at that, and then let it simmer and cook for like 3 to 4 minutes before we start adding our chicken broth and more seasonings to the mix. Now we're about to add our seasoning. I'm adding garlic powder, black pepper, and chicken broth. And bring that to a boil. And while that is boiling, we can go ahead and cut up our carrots, celery, and cilantro to add to the mix. Now that we are adding our carrots and our cilantro and our celery, we're going to let that boil for a good 10 minutes. And while that is boiling, we are going to debone and shred it, our rotisserie chicken, or whatever chicken that you are using at the moment. You can use chicken breast. It doesn't have to be rotisserie, any type of chicken. Just make sure it's fully cooked before you do all these steps. But yes, let's go ahead and continue cooking. done shredding our chicken, and we're gonna let that cook another 10 minutes because you want your chicken to be reheated after it's been sitting there for a little minute. And also make sure your carrots are perfect the way it's supposed to be, so it could be melt in your mouth, not hard in your mouth. Now we are about to add our extra broad no yolk noodles. This is the type of noodles that I like to use when I make my chicken noodle soup. You can get this from Walmart for like $1 or something a pack. But yeah, go ahead and add that to your pots and let that cook for additional 7 minutes. And then your whole chicken noodle soup will be done, baby. It's going to be succulent. It's going to be delicioso. It's going to be so good. And when I tell you, this soup right here will knock the snot out your nose, okay? It will definitely work. So definitely try this recipe. You won't regret it. So go ahead and let your noodles cook for additional 7 minutes, okay? Now it's time to boil our noodles. Oh my goodness, look at the broth in this noodles in the bowl. Look at the vegetables, the noodles, the chicken. Everything is worth trying. When I say try this dish, it will knock the snot out your nose, okay? So go ahead and try this recipe. Don't forget to do what? Share me out. Share me out. Share your girl out. And also hit that like button. Hit that like button. Hit that like button for a girl, because it don't cost you no brown boys. All right, so enjoy, and y'all have a blessed day. Peace.